BEA family, good morning. It is Saturday, about 5:45 in the morning. I am going fishing. Got it. Oh, sea bass. See Robin?
No, I'll get him.
You guessing?
The way he's hitting.
Reel this bad boy up.
Not that big. Who's it?
I can't tell. Shark? Shark. What?
Caught him in a tail.
In the tail.
I don't know what the.
That's a shark. Yeah, you got him in the tail. Wow, that's crazy.
Whoa,
Damn.
I got him jump out of him.
That thing's tough, man.
Try to bring him a little closer.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Damn, I'm the
That's a
shark
heavy
man
one.
today, boy.
That's a big one, too. Let me see. I get him.
Woo!
That's a good one.
That's a good one.
BEA family, had some fishing fun today. It was a really good time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to the channel for future content, guys. Believe, excel, achieve. Enjoy life.